News 3 at 10 on the CW Las Vegas. We're watching out for you. This is News 3 Live in Prime with Maria Silva and Gerard Romolo.
Good evening. Thanks so much for joining us, and welcome to a special edition of News 3 Live in Prime.
We will get to our top news stories, a shortened version, in just a moment. But first, let's head out live to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino with Randy Howe. Randy, big game tonight. One of the biggest rivalries, in fact, in the NFL.
Yeah, it was a big game. Definitely Dallas came to play in Green Bay. We're still partying down here at the Gridiron Maiden football party at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. We're going to try something a little different this week. We're going to grab some patrons out of the sports book here at the Hard Rock and get their picks and their knowledge in football. And joining me is Cole. Cole, what's your last name?
Chickatelli.
Now, you bet on 18 games this year, or this weekend, you told me.
Yes.
All right, well, how much money did you have on tonight's game and what happened?
$500 total on tonight's game. I won the first part of my bet, which was Dallas total. And then second half, I got a little overzealous, and I took the over, and I missed by half a point.
All right, you are representing the fans. We're going to open up the opening line for next Sunday night's game down here for our party is Philadelphia at the Bears. The Eagles -3 on the road. Who do you like and why?
Eagles all day. I have a buddy of mine that plays for the Eagles. I grew up with him, so I'm a big fan of his. Donovan McNabb looks strong, and the defense looks like they're right on top. So no doubt about it, -3. They're going to win by 10. So.
All right, fans say the Eagles. Of course, we always have our pick every Sunday night. Joining me, the lovely Julia, for our $25,000 football fantasy giveaway. We're going to draw a name, Julia. Why don't you draw a name out of the box there? A chance for someone to win a $25,000 membership to Fantasy Car Share. Who do you got?
We have Seth Casey from Las Vegas.
Seth Casey. How do you like the football party so far?
Oh, it's an awesome time. We have a beautiful room, great drink specials. It's going to go on every week for the next 16 weeks, so everybody stop on by.
All right, well, there you have it. The party still continues down here at the Hard Rock. That's going to do it from the Gridiron Maiden party, and we'll be right back.
I'm Sophia Choi with this.